Good morning, welcome back to GCS Machinery. We're auction again. I do like auctions, I end up doing a lot of them. But anyway, I'm at Leeds Euro Auctions today and I'm surrounded by a huge number of tractors from almost new to a long way off being new. But there you go, whole big vast array. So right, I'm going to go and show you some of the tractors here and hopefully you're going to have a look at them and see what they actually make when they're sold. Now, I only pick on tractors here that I like, really, that I think will look a little bit different. So whilst there is probably 50, 60, 70 tractors here, I don't know exactly, I'm only going to pick out just a few ones that catch my eye. So I do apologise if you see something in the video here that I don't look at. I just find things that I find interesting and look a little bit different. So anyway, let's go look at some tractors. So we've got a nice array here, a few massive Fergusons here. I'm guessing some which was coming from foreign climates, looking at the style of that. Not quite sure which one will come, a little Massey 390. Had a bit of hand painting on the bonnet. Got the sunshade there. And a little bit of Chinese or Japanese or whatever writing on there. Comes with a rotavator. There you go. So you can do your garden. It all comes complete. And it's four-wheel drive. So that's quite a nice little add-on there, isn't it? I know it's not big, it's not pleasure, but a little bit of tin work there. So that when you change the fuel filter, which is above the starter motor, the diesel just runs away. So I know it's a trivial detail, but just a detail there that makes lots of differences when you service them. So there we go, a little Massey 390. We got Ford 7710 there. I think we saw that very recently at another auction house a couple of videos ago. So we won't bother that one too much. Right, here's a beast, 6-cylinder County. I'm not sure of the model number, but it's a pre-force, got the pre-force bonnet there, I think you call it, that's how you call it. It says on the plate there, it was originally sold someone in Barcelona in Spain. So she's now back in the UK, because I'm guessing she was probably made in the UK in Hampshire, a county. It all looks complete. Some point there she had a front blade on, but there's no front blade with it today. But it looks complete. Continental hitch there on the back, but yeah, be interesting to see what she does do in the auction. And next to it, I'm told, now the person who told me this will probably be watching this video, but he's far more up on the Ford tractor dealers than Ford tractors than I ever am. Apparently this is a very, or quite a rare Ford 2000. Apparently the rarity is it hasn't actually got a dashboard dials on the dashboard there. I don't know much more than that about it, other than the fact it apparently is quite rare. So whether this will end up in someone's collection, I don't know. But again, needs a little bit of TLC. Actually got a pair of very, very good tyres on it as well. Be interesting to see where it ends up. Several Fastracs here today, and various different formats. This one's ex-London Luton Airport. With its, I guess it was probably on snow clearing duties in its life. Bit of rust there. It's got its fifth wheel plate on the back when I think when they tow the big sweepers and blowers for the snow clearing. So quite a useful thing really. Not sure whether you'd better fit linkage on there. I'm sure there's someone out there who'd better tell me that. But obviously it wouldn't be any good for pulling lorry traders because the distance between the fifth wheel and the cab would be too short. But nonetheless, I'm sure that's what it's been used for. And on the front of it, the frame down there This is a Bunce snowplow frame for the plough to sit on the outside ones, and the ram would go in the middle. So ex-London Luton Airport inside there. 31/7 smooth shift, and actually a very nice tidy cab. So for a 12-year-old, very nice tidying. One thing you do notice at the sales that all the dashboards are removed from the Fastracs during the viewing. I think purely because they're expensive, and I think it has been known for them to be to go walkabout. Does have a little bit of rust on there, but probably what you expect from it. What it's been doing. Something more from when I was younger. We used to see a few more of these. I think there's various configurations of these, so I don't think they're all the same. But Fordson crawler with the link up with the rear lift on it. So this tractor crawler has to be 65 years old, I'm guessing, maybe more, maybe less, I don't know. Anybody knows, please, put in the comments below, we'd love to hear. So anyway, if you move round, there's another couple of Fastracs with high abs on the back. There we go, painted white, V registration, so that's quite an elderly Fastrac. With the high ab on the back there. And towing a trailer for cable drums. So I can probably only assume this has been used on electric cable work. It's got the 3-volt linkage on there, but obviously no arms. And if you look at the rust on there, there's certainly not been used in a considerable amount of time. And if you did buy it and want to use it for that, you'd certainly be changing those rams or having them re-chromed. So let's have a look, see if the other one's exactly the same. Here, once again, both pitted, but there you go. There you go, yeah, cables and systems. So be interesting to see what they make when they go under to the sale. TW10 there, again, I think that was at another auction very recently. But if you're into Fastracs, you can't help but admit this looks smart. Look at that. So what do you think of that in grey? So, what do you think of that? Looks super smart compared to its counterpart there in yellow. What do you think? So there we are, 69 on the plate. I do think this looks nice in grey. What do you think? Do you think grey or it looks better in yellow? What do you think? Let us know. Let us know. JSB Fastrac 4240S. Look at that. What a beast. There we go, the grey. Or the yellow. Which one? Probably find it hasn't had that hard a life, bearing in mind it hasn't been used for any heavy draft work or anything like that, so it's just a push tractor really. So alright, a few various other tractors here. Quite nice John Deere, seen a fair few from Ripon there. A few blue. We'll be seeing a few more blue ones in our videos now, as you know, we've got a few more turning up. But yeah. There we go. Right, let's see what these tractors make in the auction. I don't think there's a tractor brand that's not actually represented here today.
19,000 now, taking down, boys, get quick, here we go. 18,000, and down, 18,500, 19 grand, and down, 19, here we go. 20, now 5. Now 1, 21, 21, 21, 21, 21, 21. So 20,500, 20,500. You boys hesitate, I must sell it. Yes, sir. I have Malcolm in 17. Malcolm has it in. And 17,000 and 500 and 17,500. Internet quick. Here we go. 17,500. So 17,000, 17,000. I think she's better now. Help us out. And 42 now. Here we go. And 40. 1, 2, power line. 1, 2, thank you. And bring me 11, 1, 2, 10. Bring on in over there. 2, 25, 3, run all bit. And 3, pass on 35, 4. 35, 4. And now 4,500. 52 and a half all right. 52 and a half. Now 5 now. 700. 6,000 and 6,000 and 6,000 and 7 and 6 and now 2 and now 500 and 500 and 5 do it quick, here we go. 52 and 5, 5,500, internet, here we go. 5,500, so 50.
Right, thank you very much for watching this video at Euro Auctions for the tractor sales. Please click and subscribe if you like the video, and we'll see you again on the next one. So thanks for watching.